Without CC, your edits look kind of boring. So this video is just for you. Welcome to the Guju Edition channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you 7 different CCs along with high-quality TOPAZ settings. But for that, you'll need to complete a target of 850 likes. So let's start the video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.